1,000 things I would rather do right now. There has to be something better than this. Kalia turns your organic waste into nourishing compost in just 48 hours. With Kalia, you can upgrade your kitchen routine. No more smelly garbage, no more garbage hassle. Fresh compost, easily homemade, less stress for you, less methane gas, which is, by the way, 20 times more dangerous than CO2. But no panic. Doing something good and creating environmentally friendly compost is easy peasy. All you need is organic waste. And if you love cooking like we do, you'll find a lot of it at home. Kalia will take care of all your leftovers. You can fill Kalia at any time, even when it's in compost creation mode. You can't fill up any other kitchen composter while it's in use. So yes, Kalia is always ready for you when your chopping board is full. There is no compost fairy, but you can say for sure that Kalia has its own natural magic. Just plug it in, push the button, and let the compost game begin. In 3 magic steps. First, the robust shredding system processes and dries all your kitchen scraps, even nutshells. In our composting chamber, we wake up the microorganisms, which are a natural part of every organic material. The intelligent sensor system measures and controls temperature, humidity, and ventilation. The result? Ready-to-use compost. Curious to see how and where Kalia's magic is made? Since 2017, the passionate Kalia team worked and tested hard on innovative technology and the perfect design to fit in every kitchen. You can't imagine how Kalia shall fix your mountain of food scraps? Let's minimize. Composting reduces the volume by about 85%. But mind the gap. See these beauties growing? You can kill them with kindness. Because not everything that is called compost is real compost. Some machines you can find on the market only shred and dry, which can be toxic to your plants. Many generations of prototypes, almost 2 years of testing. Together with leading research institutes, Kalia perfectly optimized the composting process. Just open the tray and spread some compost, which you can use for many good things. Mix it up with the regular soil and give an extra treatment to your plants. You'll love it the smart way. With the Kalia app, you are able to monitor your homemade compost, see your environmental impact, and receive great gardening tips. Take your Kalia compost outdoors and let your veggie and flower dreams grow.
So we at AquaNewtek are so excited to bring our latest eco-friendly next-generation product, the 4-in-1 Aqua System. The 4-in-1 Aqua System is actually a combination of the 4-in-1 faucet along with the 4-in-1 instant hot water dispenser. This complete system is specifically designed to alleviate the necessity for any accessories or additional appliances. Not only will you not have to spend money on that, but we're going to focus on keeping those plastic bottles out of the ocean and out of the landfills. In the times of crisis or illness, the digital instant hot water dispenser will also give you the ability to produce potable water rapidly and efficiently. So hopefully you can see that the AquaNewtek company, the R&D team, and all of the engineers are striving every day to meet the challenges and the issues of a world that demands convenience. But we will never do that without being mindful of the planet and each of our individual needs. AquaNewtek is excited for the 4-in-1 Aqua System, and we know that you're going to fall in love with it. We also know that you will agree with us that it is better by design. Our Aqua NewTek family is anxious to share the new 4-in-1 Aqua system with the rest of the world. We want to declutter those countertops while saving your hard-earned money. We want to make everyday kitchen duties streamlined and far more efficient so that you can spend more quality time enjoying your life and doing more of the things that you truly love.
How have I lived without this?
Just to see
Oh.
how their lives might change
I just thought of 10 things I can do with this.
when their devices
How is it floating?
could float in midair.
Are you gonna tell me?
Introducing SkyFloat. The world's first revolutionary midair, hands-free adjustable mount for your phone or tablet. Watch, read, even fall asleep, or tuck it away when you're done. You can easily move SkyFloat from one room to another. Your SkyFloat comes with 2 small plates to affix anywhere. Straight out of the box, you simply peel and mount the plate. Then the neodymium super magnet holds your SkyFloat firmly in place until you're ready to remove it, stick it back, or stick it someplace else. Patent-pending SkyFloat is designed to hold the weight of up to 10 tablets, or possibly the weight of a man in a hard hat. Or if you'd like, you can permanently affix it to the ceiling. Where do you put your device when you're looking at a recipe? Use your counter for cooking. Your recipes are at eye level. With SkyFloat, you no longer have to hold your phone while face chatting with friends. Simply mount it here, and voila. The innovation lies in its lightweight, precision-cut durability, strength, and visibly appealing design. SkyFloat is versatile, safe and easy to use, convenience like never before. SkyFloat fits any phone, case or no case. And it fits your tablet on its own, with a case, and even with the bulkiest of cases. Chiropractors everywhere are praising SkyFloat's revolutionary design to relieve back pain and reverse the effects of tech neck.
In neutral position, the head weighs 10 to 12 pounds. When we're looking at a device to text or stream, the head weighs approximately 50 pounds. This can lead to a lot of problems.
Look at yourself right now. You're watching on what, your phone, tablet, computer? Joining the tech neck generation? Wouldn't you like to watch at the perfect eye level for comfort, hands-free for ideal convenience? Watch your stuff hands-free without even mounting a TV.
I use this thing for Facebook Live. I think it's phenomenal for YouTubers. It keeps your broadcasting ability on YouTube at eye level.
I don't even need a TV.
I'm gonna buy it for me, myself.
Okay, and I.
Gym, the office.
Take it, you stick it, and you smile, because it's SkyFloat.
That is SkyFloat.
We all need to feel safe, especially in our own home. Anyone can easily get distracted while cooking. Unattended cooking causes nearly 90% of all kitchen fires. Wouldn't it be nice to know exactly when cooking becomes a risk? Our innovative Smart Turns package was designed to bring you and your family peace of mind. Unlike other solutions, it's easy to use and completely transparent to users.
Okay, get it.
Hi, my name is Jessica, founder of Tech. I went to my parents' place one day and saw a note on the door that says, "Turn off stove." It's a note they wrote for themselves. This got me thinking, there must be a better way to help them to age independently and safely. That is why we came up with the idea of Smart Turns. We're a team of IT professionals with over 20 years of experience in wireless product development. We went through many revisions of the design, making sure that the product is easy to use, reliable, and does not require any change of behaviors from users. Now we need your help to bring this product to market to benefit millions of people. Please help us to share this video with your family and friends and give us any feedback you have. Thank you.
We have developed a device that will help you to always be in the know and fight a fire in time and prevent losses. Hello, I am Evgeny. I am the creator of the Smart Fire Extinguisher project. This is our new fire extinguisher Tornado Smart Fire Extinguisher. This is my co-creator Kirill. And now I want to show you how does it work in real life. Let's begin. We pour 1 liter of vegetable oil and wait. In this example, we want to show you the extinguishment of one of the most difficult types of fire to extinguish, as well as one of the most dangerous for humans. Vegetable oil has the ability to self-ignite when the temperature rises above 300 degrees Celsius. Please do not repeat what is shown in the video yourself. As you can see, the demonstration was successful. Our device warned of a fire on time and dealt with the fire perfectly.